Hi guys. Welcome to FA Trades. In this video, I am going to discuss about Panda Terminal. It's both charting and trade execution terminal. It has these four sections: workbenches, screeners, dashboards, community. Currently we are in dashboard section. These are all different dashboards I am using. Here you can change layouts from single to multi-charts. In the Explorer section, you will find all yours: Intels, dashboards, screeners, and workbenches. You will also find all published, shared and public Intels, dashboards, screeners, and workbenches here. You can search, select and use Intel events and dashboards etc. from here. Next is wallet. You can connect your wallets to trade through DEX. In the settings, you can link your Bybit account through API to trade directly. Also you can link your wallet to trade on DEX from here. You can place your trades directly from here for both central exchanges through Bybit API. Also for decentralized exchanges by connecting your web wallet. You can add more dashboards from here. You can see all your trade positions from here. You can get a basic tutorial and platform overview from here. Let's talk about main charting here. You can look at various tickers, both spot and perps, from Binance, Bybit and DEX. You can find all studies and indicators here. It includes both traditional studies and order flow indicators. It has oscillators, JLab models, exchange, on-chain, order book, order flow metrics. Let's talk about this dashboard. This is related to CVDs. On left we have futures chart and its CVDs, and on right we have spot chart and its CVDs. In blue we have most important CVD. It's whales 1 million plus trades, and as you can see price usually follows these orders. So you should analyze what these big players are doing and follow them. On right side we have spot pair and its cumulative delta. As spot does not include much leverage, we don't see many million plus orders. So should look at 100k plus order to get some sense of these big orders. Again, same principle. Large the order size, more important and influential it is. Moving next we have bid and ask ratio dashboard. Bid and ask ratio measures limit buys minus limit sells in order book of different price ranges. Positive value shows more demand while negative value shows more supply. 0 to 1% is for short term, while 1 to 2.5% is for medium term and 2.5 to 5% is for long term view. Also look at its structure. Rising and spiking bid-ask ratio is bullish sign, while falling and dropping shows bearishness. Next dashboard we will look at is trade count. It shows both large buys and sells and also their delta. Positive delta and large buys shows more buying interest and are bullish, while negative delta and large sells show selling pressure and are considered bearish. Let's move to next section. It's about screeners. We have 3 pre-built templates for screeners here. In the screener, you can add different columns for different factors. Then you can filter coins among these factors. You can also search your coins here. Next section is Workbench. I have made different templates for it. I am using these templates in Dashboard as well. Let me open one template. This template combines whale CVDs with large orders, their delta, and bid-ask ratio as well. Again, as we discussed in Dashboard. Rising CVD, rising bid-ask ratio, positive delta and large buys is signs of buying interest and demand, while falling CVD, dropping bid-ask ratio, negative delta and large sells shows selling pressure. Here you can also combine multiple indicators, traditional and order flow indicators together. Same as we did in TRDR metrics. So instead of applying RSI on price, I will apply it on top of CVD to get strong buy and sell zones. As you can see, in strong demand area we pushed higher, in strong sell area we dropped. In this way you can combine moving averages and oscillators on top of order flow and order book indicators to get strong zones. Next we will discuss Intel events. It does the same thing as TRDR alerts. We can apply different conditions on various indicators. And once those conditions met, it will highlight that on the chart. Let me make an Intel event for trade count. I will search and select trade count. Then I will the conditions for bullish and bearish case. I will select trade size 1 to 10 million. For bullish case I will make a condition by trade size greater than 5 million overall. And it will plot a green circle below that candle. For sell signal, I will add an OR condition, where sell trade size must be greater than 5 million. And I will highlight it by a red circle above that candle. So that's a basic demo how to set up an Intel event. As you can see, it's highlighting all areas where our indicator conditions are fulfilled, both bullish and bearish. So that's how you can set up an Intel event. You can test out different indicators on different time frames on different coins. You can make multiple Intel events for different indicators. You can combine indicators like moving averages and oscillators with order flow, order book indicators, then use them for Intel events. In this way you can spot good opportunities in the markets. Finally, we have community section. Here you can create and join communities. I have provided my community link in the description to join. I will be sharing my dashboards, Intel events, and workbenches there. So make sure to join to access my charts, which you can clone and use for yourself. I will also give basic overview and description how to utilize these charts. So that's all for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. If you have question or suggestion, leave it in the comments section. See you in the next one. Happy trading!